Morning to my beautiful and charming students of class 6th. Welcome to another class of English grammar. Here I am with my part 2 video of chapter number 26, Punctuation and Capital Letters. In my previous video, that is part 1 video, I explained you the rules of capitalization. Now in my part 2 video, I am going to explain you punctuation, the right use of punctuations. So let's begin. So first is full stop. Full stop is more common punctuation in English. It is used at the end of a complete declarative sentence. So when is full stop used? At the end of a sentence, that is complete declarative sentences. Let's see some examples. My name is Sheetal. The dog is barking. My mother is baking a cake today. I want to study. All these are complete sentences, means complete declarative sentences. All these sentences are telling you something, giving you some information. So at the end, we put a full stop. As declarative means giving information and telling something. So at the end of the sentence, we will put full stop. It is not put in the middle or somewhere else. Only we use at the end of the sentence. Now my dear children, can you identify this symbol? You have already studied about it. This is a question mark. And as it is clear from the name, question mark, question, it is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. Interrogative means something which asks question. The sentence which asks question, something is interrogative sentence, which is a question. So question mark is used at the end of a question. Let's see some examples. What is your name? Where are you going? Why are you so sad? How are you? Can I take your pencil? Are you happy? So all these are questions, and at the end of the question we see question mark. So whenever a question is asked, we will put question mark. So question begins with what, where, why, how, when, and sometimes it begins with can, are, do, did, like this. Next is apostrophe. It looks like a comma, but it is used at the top of a word, and it is used in two cases: to show possession or belongings. Second, when some letters have been missed. So let's learn through some examples. This is Rohan's book. So here, this book belongs to Rohan. So this is showing belonging here of this book to Rohan. Next example. Neha's alarm clock rings every morning at 6 o'clock. So Neha's, that means this alarm clock belongs to Neha. This apostrophe S shows belongingness to something, to someone. That's why we are using apostrophe to show belongings. Now look at the second case, when some letters are missing. When we write some words in short forms, then we use apostrophes. So here is he is. He is can be written as he's. He apostrophe s. I am can be written as I apostrophe am. Then you are, you apostrophe re. So you are. Can't apostrophe t, cannot. So apostrophe can be used for two cases. First, belongingness. Second, when some letters are missing to create short forms. Now what is this? Try to identify. Yeah, it is comma. And when do we use comma? It is used to show difference between two separate ideas or elements within a sentence. We talk about two or more ideas of elements. within a sentence, we separate them using a comma. The symbol is similar to apostrophe, but apostrophe is used at the top and comma is used at the bottom. This is the difference between them. Let's see some examples. I love to eat apple, comma, mango and grapes. So we are talking about three things and we are separating their names by comma and. Second example, Rohan, comma, Mohit and Jitendra are playing Ludo. So again we have separated two names with commas. So here this is a question in the third one. Is that you, Reena? So is that then gap, then Reena. So to show that gap between two sentences we use comma. So next is quotation marks or inverted commas. It looks like this. It is used to indicate dialogues or statements said by someone. So when to use quotation marks or inverted commas? When we have to write dialogues or statements said by someone directly. Let's see some examples. Ritika said, "It's a lovely day." So this is the dialogue said by Ritika. So the sentence said by someone will be enclosed between two quotation marks. Next example. "Ma, who woke me up today?" Neha asked. So this is the statement said by Neha. So this is enclosed between quotation marks. Next example. The boy said, "I am feeling hungry." So this is the statement said by the boy. So this is a statement enclosed by quotation marks or inverted commas. Now my dear children, can you identify this symbol? Yeah, this is exclamation mark. And when it is used? It is used to show emphasis and strong emotions like joy, sorrow, surprise, excitement, etc. So exclamation marks is used to show strong emotions. When you are so much happy, sad, or you are surprised or excited, all these strong emotions are shown by exclamation mark. Let's see some examples. Wow, that's a beautiful dress. So wow, that someone is happy to see your beautiful dress. So exclamation mark is used. Hooray, we are going for a picnic. Stop, don't go there. No, I don't want to eat now. So to show something which is being said strongly, we use this exclamation mark. There can be various emotions involved in all these sentences. Now let me explain you the uses of semicolon. Semicolons indicate a pause which is slightly longer than the pause shown by a comma but shorter than the pause given by a period or full stop. So let's look through some examples. Tyson likes cake, Bill likes fruits. To play you need sharp reflexes, to dance well a complete rhythm. Look carefully and notice where we have put semicolon in these sentences. Yes, to give pause. So let's learn in detail. We use semicolon to separate two clauses. If we don't use a coordinating conjunction to separate them. So what is a clause? A clause is a sentence which contains both subject and predicate. So let's look through some examples. Thick grey clouds are drifting across the sky. Get ready for a downpour. The sentence you can see has two clauses. That's why we have placed semicolon after the first clause. Here are some more examples where semicolon is used after the first clause. First half of the film was really interesting. The second half was too boring. Here again we have two clauses without any coordinating conjunctions between them. So we have used semicolon. John likes driving, Suzanne likes swimming. So here again we have used two clauses without any coordinating conjunctions between them. Instead, we have used semicolon. Let's learn another use of semicolon. A semicolon can be used along with the coordinating conjunctions and, but, or, nor, etc. when one or more commas appear in the first clause. So let's learn with some examples. You can go around the museum to see the paintings, sculptures, artographies or anything. But remember to come back by 5:30. In this sentence, the first clause is having comma, so we have used the semicolon and coordinating conjunctions to separate two clauses. Now let's learn where to use colon. Colon is used before introducing a list, before starting a description, definition or explanation. Now let's learn with examples. My dad's company deal in 3 products: computers, laptops and mobile phones. Here colon is used to introduce the list of items. Here we have next example. My garden has a variety of flowers: rose, lily, bougainvillea, tulip, jasmine and many more. So here again you have noticed that we have used colon before the list of flowers. So this was the explanation of all the punctuation marks. Hope my dear students all have understood where to use these punctuation marks. Now you can see this is a solution of exercise number 1. You have no space in your English grammar textbook. So paste a page and write the answers of exercise number 1 and 2. So my dear students, watch both part 1 and part 2 video of chapter number 26, punctuation and capital letters, to understand the concept. So this was all for today. Stay healthy, be safe. Thank you all. God bless you all.